For the ninth problem of this first ACT practice test, a computer chip 0.32 centimeters thick is made up of layers of silicone. If the top and bottom layers are each 0.03 centimeters thick and the inner layers are each 0.02 centimeters thick, how many inner layers are there? So with this one, it might be easier if we looked at this side here that is 0.32 centimeters thick and kind of zoomed in on it to make it a little bit bigger looking. So let's say right here that this entire thing, this is our side of our computer chip. That is our 0.32 centimeters. And what this problem is saying is that this computer chip is made up of layers of silicone. So the top layer and the bottom layer, they say, are 0.03 centimeters. So we've got a layer up here, let's say there. This is 0.03 centimeters. And then they've got a bottom layer here, and this is also 0.03 centimeters. And at this point, there's a whole bunch of layers that are each 0.02 centimeters. And our goal is to figure out how many of those layers are there. So this continues all the way down until you reach this bottom layer where you have these 0.02 centimeter thick layers of silicone. So basically, we need to figure out how much room we have left after removing the bottom and top layers. So if we subtract off from this total 0.32 this top and bottom, which are each 0.03, so let's do that. We have 0.32 minus 0.03 minus 0.03. This will tell us how much room that the inner layers take up. So if we subtract, this is essentially 0.06, if we subtract that from 0.32, and if you forget how to do this, I highly recommend using the calculator. This is 0.26 centimeters. And now thinking about how many of these 0.02 centimeter layers fit into this. And you could actually just divide 0.26 divided by 0.02, or just think 0.02, if you just keep adding that to itself, you can count 13 times that it could fit inside of this. But formally, you would do division here. So 0.26 centimeters divided by 0.02 centimeters. And what you're left with is 13 layers. So 13 is going to be our final answer.